What you doing? Give me 5. Give me 5. You're just all amped up, aren't you? Am I your best friend?
It's that chicken.
Am I your best friend? What? Huh? Stand. Where's the good girl?
I love how she just throws in every trick.
Yeah. Like,
She's like, oh, I'll do a high five.
What do I do? What do I do?
I'll try to tell you what color I want.
What's your favorite color? Huh? What's your favorite color? Really? Was that your favorite color? Up.
Should probably teach her a few more tricks.
Give me 5.
We've only got 3, but they're cute. Yeah. Get him. It's a standoff.